Hey everybody, Ricky here with Apple Valley Farm. I have got some cutoffs. I was making some 30-degree cuts today, and I just want to show you really quickly how to make a really cute 6-point rustic star. Look, so you have to have 6 of these, and I've cut these at a 30-degree angle, exactly a 30-degree angle. 6 of these things. Look, this is the easiest way to do it. Lay them all out here exactly the same way, just like that. Now we can start putting these together. Put the bottom end against the angled end and do that on every one of them. Look at that. And then you got this really cute, here let me move back a little bit, this really cute 6-pointed star, and you can glue this together or you can glue it onto something. Isn't that cool? I thought it was pretty cool. I just wanted to share that with you. But bam, there you go. Now you can make a whole bunch of them. Merry Christmas! Have a great day.